Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download BandLab on PC. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download BandLab on your PC, first what you need to do is head over and open up a browser, and then on the search bar type in BandLab for PC download. Then once the search list loads, what you need to do is go to the BandLab website, that is right here. And now once you're inside there, scroll down and you'll find the option that says download for Windows. Simply click on it, then the app will automatically download to your computer. Once downloaded, open the downloaded file, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully install the BandLab app on your PC. Once installed, open the app and log in with your BandLab account, or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.